A magnitude 7.4 earthquake struck near Hualien City on Taiwan's eastern coast on April 3rd at 7:58 a.m. local time. These images show the earthquake recorded on Irish Raspberry Shake seismometers. A series of strong aftershocks, including a magnitude 6.5, occurred 13 minutes after the main quake, and aftershocks are likely to continue. Taiwan's seismic activity is due to its location at the junction between the converging Philippines Plate to the west and the Eurasian Plate to the east. The convergence rate is extremely high at approximately 8 centimeters per year. Due to this tectonic setting, Taiwan regularly experiences earthquakes of large magnitudes. This figure from Huang and Wang 2022 shows earthquake distribution of the 2018 to 2021 earthquake clusters near Hualien City. The magnitude 7.4 earthquake occurred beneath the longitudinal valley fault. This is a zone of numerous truss faults. This video shows the surface waves of the earthquake causing an elliptical rolling motion to the water in this fish farm. In Taipei 101 Tower, this video shows the damper pendulum on September 18, 2021 during the magnitude 6.8 earthquake. This damper operates by swinging in response to building movement, mitigating swaying or oscillation. This ensures structural stability during earthquakes. This passive damping system operates solely on the natural movement of the building and the forces of gravity, requiring no external power source for its operation.